Okay, folks, welcome back. This is David, the artist from Cleveland, and we've got another hot topic to talk about. Is AI killing art or forcing artists to evolve? So, another hot topic about this AI world, and I got news for you. I'm using like 10 AI tools, and it's starting to even concern me. And here's the killer question. Artists, we stand in the middle of a biggest shift ever. And in the history of art, since the invention of photography, is AI going to kill all of us as artists? And why is that? Let's get into the topic. Let's get into it. It's extremely emotional when we start talking about AI, but AI can copy our style, our designs, our creations, our color balancing, our color masking, our color composition. It can actually steal that and reproduce it. Will the original paintings become more valuable, or will it go to the wayside because of the AI technology? Are artists being replaced with this AI stuff? You know, you've got tools like Claude, you've got ChatGPT, you have Gemini, you have OpenAI. I mean, there's so many tools out there, plus 10 other ones I could think of that play around with photography and play around with actual imaging. So this is going to be unbelievable. Does AI steal the artwork? Yes, I think it can steal the artwork now. That's what really worries me. And is it that artists can be replaced? And I think that's an important topic by itself. I think that's critical. And I think we can be replaced. And I've got a big worry about this because I've used AI tools to enhance some of my ads. I only use it for content enhancement and ads and marketing. But AI could take one of my images and reproduce it, replicate it, and then fine-tune it to an undescribable type imaging where I'm not even sure it's my art. So are we the subject to a real major problem here in the world as artists to protect our collection, to protect our body of work? Something to think about and something to